To check and clean the filter package and drip catchers is important for the back pressure on the ventilation system, but most importantly, the effective reduction of emissions. When the pressure difference across the package reaches 65 to 80 pascals, system dependent, the package is considered blocked and must be cleaned. Inspect the drip catchers and filter package from above and below regularly, so you can clean it before contamination build-up. If the drip catchers also need to be cleaned, it is best to lay them on the filter package for cleaning. To start the cleaning procedure, wearing suitable clothing, open the wash hose tap and then isolate the sprinkler lines. This will maintain flow so the pump will not dry run. With all flow now going through the wash hose, use it to slowly rinse through the package. The package is cleaned with high flow, not high pressure. 1 square meter of package should take 1 to 2 minutes. When you are sure the package is clean, lay the hose back in its storage position. Open the sprinkler lines. Once they are flowing at a low pressure, slowly close the wash hose tap. This slow transition will prevent a dry run and pump shutdown. Recheck the air pressure difference is now back within parameters.
For more information, please contact us.